Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower engine for our customer's 1967 Camaro. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal. We have the double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, brand new timing cover, new balancer. Engine block is painted to black with the brass freeze plugs. Correct oil pan for the 67 Camaro. These are the AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rock arms are fully adjusted and set. We have the orange Taylor ignition wires with all the wire markers. It's real nice Chevrolet orange valve covers. The matching air cleaner with the washable filter. Real nice polished intake manifold. Correct thermostat housing for the 67 Camaro. High flow thermostat. Heavy duty Russell PCV hose and PCV valve. We have the Holley 750 CFM carburetor on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. MSD ignition coil. We have the small cap distributor installed for the 67 Camaro. That's real important for firewall clearance. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission. Proper tooth count and balance. High torque mini starter on there, all aligned and set. Chrome dipstick and tube. Push-in breather, oil breather. We install the manifold vacuum fittings for any manifold vacuum hookups. We have the braided fuel line at the carburetor, electric choke wire, fuel pressure gauge, muscle car series fuel pump, AN fittings, heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the loop clamps going up to the carburetor. This is this is the black Wraptor pulley kit with a self-tensioning belt tensioner. We have the AC idler on there. Customer may go to AC compressor later on. This is a real nice system. It has an idler. If you want, again, later on, put AC in the car. Very simple. Take the 2 bolts out and you can put your AC compressor right there and stay with the same pulley kit. So this has a heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow shorty reverse rotation water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. Customer's getting the upgraded alternator wire kit here. Comes all one package here. The alternator wire kit, it's a 6-gauge wire. So that's all set. He also has the GM Saginaw power steering pump, so his original power steering lines will go on there. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the idle. We set the ignition timing with our timing light. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over, so you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847. Send us an email, info@enginefactory.com. It's family owned and operated business here. Been in business since 1969. So there you have it, our 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower engine, the 67 Camaro. Thanks for watching.